guys going to do tonight?
This is Allie McCaw, and she's going to stand on top of this soccer ball and walk it up that ramp.
Okay, how old is that bird?
Allie is 14 years old.
Now, they live to be really old, don't they?
Sometimes as much as 60, 80 years old.
Wow, is it a good pet?
Great pet.
Okay, all right, here we go. So Allie will walk on the soccer ball up the ramp here, and you want some music or something?
If it's appropriate.
Yeah, we'll be the judge of what's appropriate around here. Okay, here we go. A little music for the bird walking up there on the... Weldon Middlebrook from Arlington, Texas, and his bird, Allie. Here we go. On the soccer ball. Oh, easy. Do these birds fly? Bird in the, oh, very impressive. Nice to meet you. Weldon Middlebrook and his bird, Allie, from Arlington, Texas. Okay, we'll do a commercial here. Is that it? We're done? All right. And we'll be right back. Thank you very much, sir.
Hello, and welcome to a very special video presentation showing you some of the highlights of Cheep Thrills, Weldon Middlebrook's Parrot Spectacular. Here's your host, Mr. Weldon Middlebrooks.
My name is Weldon Middlebrooks. I've been training animal shows for over 20 years. Today we're at the beautiful Splish Splash Water Amusement Park just outside of Riverhead, Long Island. I've got a show here called Cheep Thrills, and we're going to be going and seeing an actual performance here in a few moments. First, I'd like to let you know that all of these birds are trained on the positive reinforcement system. That means they're never punished in any way, only praised and rewarded when they do things that I'd like for them to do. You're going to see that the birds in this show are very happy, they're having a great time, and on top of that, they've been working for over 10 years. So that's a good testimony to the positive reinforcement system. And now, let's see a show. They go neck to neck and beak to beak. In fact, they're really rocking out for you now. There you have it. How about that? Doing a great job once again, ladies and gentlemen, Allie McCaw. That grace and skill. Oh, we'll get our show underway by raising our official Splish Splash flag. All the way to the top, quick draw. And ladies and gentlemen, our show is officially underway. Starting first with that blue square, it goes on the end, something about like that, and a red one in the middle. And for Allie McCaw, that's child's play. How about that? There she goes. And folks, isn't she charming? Doing a great job for you today, Joey Featherton. Reach for your gun, Pilgrim. He was fast on the trigger, but not fast enough. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the livest dead bird you'll ever see. On the way he went grinning Parrot, he's our champ, and you know, what's the matter? He's the best bird we've ever had. Look, he's almost won. Allie hasn't. Allie's already won. We've got a new champion. Let's give her a nice round of applause. How about that for a sense of balance? And doing, doing, doing. One more little dribble, getting scored. It goes for the layup. He slams it for 2 more big points. Hey, that's goaltending. That's against the rules. You're out of the game. Yikes! That's not what I had in mind. Now come on back over here. We got to try that one more time. You big ham. Quick draw. That's not quite enough. You got to give it a big strong push up there at the top. And let's just go. We're going to have to do this one. Very hard to get an A. That's quick draw macaw. You know, quick draw is the largest bird we've got on stage, and he weighs in roughly right around 1,200 grams. But that's extremely heavy for a bird of this type. Well, quick draw is going to show us something now that every show has got to have. In fact, all shows, no matter what type they are, have one thing in common. And quick draw, would you show us now, please, what that one common element is?
If you'd like more information on our show, please write to me in care of Middlebrooks Animal Productions. My name is Weldon Middlebrooks. That's P.O. Box 583 in Arlington, Texas, 76004. Thanks again. Have a great day.